Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Mulisa Mudau enters Miss South Africa 2025. Mulisa Mudau is officially auditioned for the Miss South Africa 2025 as she announced her entry into the Miss South Africa competition. The actress who played the key role in MUVHANGO for the past 7 years said this chapter represents more than just a personal ambition. It's about representation, empowerment, and challenging social norms. My skin is my pride, my strength, my power, Mudau wrote in a caption accompanying the audition video. I'm here to shatter ceilings, challenge colorism, and celebrate every shade of beauty. This mission is bigger than me. It's for every woman who's ever been told to be too dark, Mudau stated. In an interview with Daily Sun, Mudau reflected on her journey, sharing that her part of MUVHANGO was a dream come true and gave her a platform to inspire young girls who looks like her. With the Miss South Africa 2025 pageant still months away, all eyes will be on Mulisa Mudau as she takes on this bold new challenge, representing not just herself but countless women across the country who have long been waiting to see themselves reflecting in space of beauty and influence. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.